If you love comforting protein-packed meals that feels like a warm hug, this lentil chicken gravy is going to be your new favorite obsession. Rich spices, tender chicken, creamy lentils, spinach, and a surprise twist with a purple yam. Simple ingredients, big flavor, one pot magic. Start by heating a deep pot on a medium flame. Add 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of ghee because flavor starts with a good fat. Once hot, add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds and 1 bay leaf and let them crackle until aromatic. Now add 1 medium chopped onion, 2 sliced green chilies, 2 tablespoons of garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of ginger paste. Saute patiently for about 10 minutes. These steps build the gravy, so don't rush it, don't overcook it, don't burn your onion. Once everything is golden and fragrant, it's time to add your spices. Add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Mix well. Cook the spices for 5 minutes until the oil separates. Now it's time to add tomatoes. I am using 2 chopped tomatoes. You can add gravy also. Cook again for 5 minutes until soft and jammy. Now it's time to add your chicken breast. I am using 350 grams of a chicken breast. Mix well and let the chicken seal in the flavor for another 8 minutes. Next, add washed lentils and mix everything together. Season with salt as per your taste. Then pour in 3 cups of chicken stocks, or you can use water, completely fine. This is where the gravy starts coming together beautifully. Now for the green and colorful gravy, add 1 cup of chopped spinach, cover the pot and let everything simmer on medium heat for 20 minutes until the lentils are soft and the gravy is rich and creamy. Now for the purple twist, add boiled purple yam and cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. This adds natural sweetness, color and texture you will absolutely love. Finish with a lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Turn off the heat. Now it's time to serving. Drizzle a little ghee on a top. Garnish with a fresh cilantro and serve it hot with rotis. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow my channel. See you next time. Bye.